Hello guys, hope you all doing well. This is the morning in Business Bay, Dubai. The weather was super clean and sunny. But later on, afternoon, just a few minutes before, the rain started, surprised everyone. As you can see, after almost 4 to 5 months, the rain finally started and it's raining all over the Dubai, United Arab Emirates, as you can see it. So I hope it won't be same as the previous incident happened in Dubai, which became a floody and all over was full of the waters. So yeah, now the rain is happening. Hope you all see it, and this is happening right now in Dubai. And I wish and I pray that same incident never happen again because it caused a lot of problem for the people. This location is Business Bay, Dubai. I've been recording this from almost 13th floor of a building, so it will be more clear and you can see it. I'm sorry for the window wasn't that clean from outside, so it's not too much clean, but you can just have a good look and see how the rain is. The sky is clean, but it's raining, so it's like a little bit weird. All of a sudden, there is a rain. Rain in Business Bay.